This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lisa.murdock. Adorable, well-kept townhome near Chesapeake Bay on quiet cul-de-sac. Convenient, short distance to Chicks Beach restaurants, micro-brewery, and entertainment. Close to beaches, Little Creek Base, Shore Drive, and more. Open floor plan with roomy kitchen and bar, living room, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, deck with private fenced backyard, great for summertime barbecuing. Neutral paint and carpet. Non-smoking unit and pets considered on case-by-case basis. Available June 1, 2022. For more information, review the details below.